Okay. In our demo class, we will work on some topics, some basic topics, so that you can understand about class, how class is working, and I am also give you some brief introduction about my classes. Okay. So it's my fourth batch for RNA sequencing. Batch for RNA-seq. Okay, first I want to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Saeed Atiq Hussain. I am from Pakistan. My PhD in plant science and specification is on association mapping in lentil. I am working as a freelancer data analyst and have 2 year experience and have trained about 4,000 participants and about 60 to 70% participants are from China. About 60 to 70% participants are from China. I have trained basic R programming, 69 batch completed. My new batch is going to start for R for data analysis batch 74. I have completed 10 batch of Python and 3 batch for JavaS and 3 batch for RNA-seq. Okay. Now we will work on R programming. So as you are already familiar with R and Python, because these two tools, these two programmings are in trend, and you can perform many tasks by using these two tools. But we will work on R for RNA-seq analysis. So in our today class, we will work on some basic introduction of R and RStudio, installation of R and RStudio, and we will work on about packages. First we will work on working directory. What is working directory and how we create a working directory in R, and what are packages, how we install packages in R. Okay, now I am going to start my first topic. I hope maximum participants have joined, and I hope all participants are ready for practice, because this training session is a practical course. You need to perform each and everything live. And before starting, please all participants make sure you have connected your laptop. You are connected Zoom with laptop, and as well as your mobile phone, so that you can watch video or watch Zoom class from mobile and can do practice on laptop. So please make sure you have connected with both devices. Before starting and today demo class, I also want to give a brief instructions about class. So your class will be live via Zoom, time 9 to 10, 9 to 10 p.m. according to China time, and days are Friday to Sunday, 3 days per week. Total duration of this course is 15 days, about 10 to 15 days. 10 to 15 days. Uh, 10 to 20, 10 to 15 days. Okay. And recording of each class will be given. Will be sent in group, and maybe some participants have missed some classes, are absent in classes. You can watch a recorded video, and can do practice. But if unfortunately you have skipped 3 or more classes and you are unable to complete or unable to do practice with class, then I have an option. I can move to in my upcoming or new batch. So you can proceed your class in next batch. And fee for this course is 400 RMB. 5 participants are already registered, and 15 seats are available. And one more thing, you can ask question during training session. You can share your screen. You can discuss your problems you are facing during class or during training. Okay, now I want to start today class. In today class, the first step is installation of R and RStudio. So all participants, please open open Google Chrome. Please all participants open Google Chrome and type done within Zoom chat. Please all participants open Google Chrome and type done within Zoom chat so that I can move to next step. I have done this step, so I am typing done. Please all participants open Google Chrome and type done. Two participants have typed done. Please all participants open Google Chrome and type done so that I can move to next step. Okay, thank you. Now next step is we need two tools. One is R, second is RStudio. So first we will install R. So type R CRAN in search bar and press enter button. It will show you a website. Here multiple options are visible. The comprehensive R archive network, R 4.4.2 for Windows, conventional Tokyo test, and R for Mac. So I have a window and hope maximum participant have window. So I am going to click on R 4.4.2 for window. Click on this button. I am also going to share the link of this website in group so that if any participant is unable to download or unable to open this window, you can just click on link and open website. So I have shared our website in WhatsApp group. Please all participants open this website and type done within Zoom chat. After opening this website, you will get a page download R 4.4.2 for window. Click on this button. It will ask you about location where you want to save. So give a location. I want to save in E drive. Press save button. It is showing me, do you want to replace? It is showing me I already have this file in this folder. So I want to replace. Yes, your file is now downloading. So my file is in working. So I am typing here downloading. If you have Mac, you need to click on Mac button. Here is R for Mac operating system. From here you can select your Mac, R for Mac according to your Mac requirement. So please start downloading and type downloading in Zoom chat so that I can move to next step if you have done this step. Please let me know your downloading have been started or not. It is showing me just only 40 seconds. So please all participants download this app and type done. No, in my case, this tool is successfully downloaded. So I am typing here downloaded are done. After downloading, you need to open this file R 4.4.2 win.exe file. Please all participants, if you have downloaded, type downloaded so that I can move to next step for installation. Now I am waiting for your reply. Okay, after downloading this R, you need another tool. Open new tab of Google Chrome and type here RStudio. RStudio download. It will give you a page. The first website is poised. RStudio desktop. Click on this button. It will give you a page like this, showing you install R, install RStudio. I am also sending the link of this website within group so that all participants. Okay, now you have two options. First is R and second is the RStudio. First is install R, second is install RStudio. We will install RStudio from this website because although this website have both tools R and RStudio, but we need only RStudio from this website because the R in this website is oldest. Here its version is 3.6.0, but the latest version of R is the 4.4.2. While the RStudio is the latest version here, which is released on 16 December 2024. So it is the latest version of RStudio because it is the official website for RStudio. So click on button, download RStudio desktop for Windows. If you have Mac, you can select option for Mac and click on save button. It will take 5 or 6 minutes for downloading. My downloading have been started, so I am typing here downloading. So please download these both tools and type done or downloaded so that I can move to next step. Now I am just waiting for your reply. Okay, Harman, please can you share your screen? If possible, please, I have allowed you. Can you share your screen so that I can done installation process on your screen? Okay, not possible. Okay, no issue. Okay, a maximum participant I think have R in I have downloaded R. So now please be ready for installation of R. So click on download button and find R 4.4.2 bin.exe file. Click on this file. When you click on this file, it will give you a message. Do you want to allow this app from an unknown publisher to make changes to your device? So click on yes button. When you click on yes, it will give you another page. Select setup language. Select the language to use during installation. So English. So click on OK. Here is general information about R programming, and please read the following important information before continuing. You can read these information if you want to read, otherwise you can ignore and click on next button. Again, you just need to click on next button. It is showing me already exists. Would you like to install to that folder anywhere? Yes. Now you will get this page. Click on next button. It will show you, do you want to customize the startup option? No. Next. Select the additional task you would like setup to perform while installing R for Windows 4.4.2. Then click next. So all these three steps are necessary. So already ticked. Now click on next button. It is showing you the following applications are using files that read to be updated by setup. It is recommended that you allow setup to automatically close the application. So it is showing me I have R in working in window. I need to close this. Okay, I have closed. Now automatically close and press next button. When you press next button, it will start installation process on your PC of for R programming. No, completing the R for window 4.4.2 setup wizard. Setup has finished installing R for window 4.4.2 on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting the installed shortcut. So click finish to exit setup. Click finish button. When you click on finish button, it will show you an icon in your desktop. On your desktop, so come on desktop and find icon of R. So here is the icon of R 4.4.2. So click on this icon. It will show you a page like this. It is an R programming. Please all participant install R and click on R on your desktop. Open this page and confirm me successfully working or not working. I have done this step. No, our programming page is visible for in my case, so I am typing here done. So please, I need response from all participants. If you have typed, if you have installed and have opened R programming in your PC or laptop and you get a page like this, type done within Zoom chat. So it is R programming. Please, I need response from all participants. Install this app and type done. Only 4 participants have done. Okay. Now we need another tool, RStudio. So in my case, RStudio also downloaded. So click on RStudio. When you click on RStudio app, it will again show you a message. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to this app, to make changes to this device? Click on yes button. It will give you a welcome to RStudio page. Click on next button and click on install. It will start installation process. It will take time, maybe 3 or 5 minutes. No setup completed. Click on finish button. Now I have done this task, so I am typing here done. Installed both R and RStudio. Now I have installed R and RStudio. So please, all participants, reply if you have installed so that I can move to next step. And if any participant is facing any issue, you are allowed to share your screen or you can open your mic. And if you have done, type installed both R and RStudio. No, I am just waiting for your reply. Please do installation process as soon as possible. Okay, now I have two tools. One is R and second is RStudio. I have two tools, R and RStudio. The icon of RStudio will not appear in desktop. If you want to open RStudio, you need to click on search bar, and write a message here, RStudio. It will give you an icon, RStudio app. Click on RStudio app button. It will show you a short page like this, and soon it will show you a RStudio page. Okay, now you have a page, you have a RStudio like this. Now we have two tools. One is R and second is RStudio. Installed two tools. One is R and second is RStudio. Please all participants install these two tools and type done. Okay, now I want to show you reviews or training sessions and progress of my previous batches of genome, of RNA sequencing, or other Python and R as well. Okay, you can check here my genomics or RNA sequencing genomic batch 3 is in process, only 2 or 3 classes remaining. So here is their progress. They have created all these plots in R by using a mouse dataset and a Drosophila dataset. Volcano plot for gene expression, differentially expressed gene, MA plot, sample distance heat map plot. There is also a volcano plot, heat map plot for the type of dataset. Here are some parameters for quality check. So I have already told you about my 69 batches which are completed. Now I want to show you the progress of one of them. For example, batch 70 is in working and have only 2 or 3 classes remaining. So here is their progress. So no, yesterday class was about regression. So they performed a linear regression, logarithmic logarithmic regression, polynomial regression, and here are some other: polynomial regression, linear regression, simple linear regression, CO2 emissions was GDP, effect of fertilizer on plant growth, All these analyses are done by just within 15 days. K-mean clustering, chord diagram, hierarchical clustering, PCA, PCA biplot, PCA scree plot, K-mean clustering plot, heat map plot, also heat map plot, also different type of heat map plot, dendrogram, and so on. Okay. Now, what you will learn, I have already shared a content list with you, and I hope you have read this content list. Here is the content list. In first step, you will learn about some basic introduction about RNA sequencing data and R. So in our today class, we have installed R. In our next class, we will work about basic introduction of RStudio and R and RStudio, some basic tools about R, what are the packages, what are the libraries, how to install, how to import files in R. So we will learn in basic introductory chapters. Secondly, you will learn setting up R for RNA sequencing analysis. So for performing RNA-seq, we need lot of tools or packages for RNA-seq. So we need to build a setup, a page, or a tool for RNA sequencing analysis. And in next step, we will import RNA sequencing data into R and perform quality control and normalization. And then we will work on exploratory data analysis, EDA, and its visualizations. After exploratory data analysis, here is also same step. And next is advanced visualization techniques. You can apply different type of plots like volcano plots, heat map plots, PCA plots, and other advanced type of plots. And you can also modify and make a professional and publication ready plot by using R. Next, we will work on differential gene expression analysis, including introduction of differential expressions, performing differential expression analysis in R, including functional enrichment analysis, gene ontology and pathway analysis, and last tool is for enhancement analysis in R. Practical application of packages such as cluster profiler and GoStat to perform and interpret enrichment analysis. And next we will perform advanced topic in RNA-seq analysis, including integrative analysis and omics. So explore methods for integrating RNA-seq data with other type of omics data to gain comprehensive insight into biological analysis. And at last you need to perform two tasks. I will give you data set and give target. So you will complete this target just within 1 hour. Okay. So hope you have installed and downloaded and install these two tools R and RStudio. So in our next class, we will start work on some basic or introductory classes about R and RNA sequencing. Okay. Now, if you have any question, you can ask. You can send a message in WhatsApp group. You can send a message in Zoom chat, or you can, if you want to open mic, you can also open your mic. Yes, a recording of the meeting will be shared with only registered participant group. We will use only these two tools, R and RStudio, for all steps. There are only two questions. One is, will the recorded meeting be shared in group? Yes, a recording of each and every class will be shared in a group of registered participants. Second question, what are software we will use except R? We will use two tools. One is R and second is RStudio. Okay, there is no any other more question. Okay, thank you. And again, thanks for attending this class as a demo class. So in our next class, we will start our first topic. So what is the introduction of R and what is the introduction of RNA sequencing data analysis? Yes, Ancient, you can open your R on window. Okay, thank you. Now the next class time have been started, so I need to share link. So please, if you have any further question, you can ask these questions within WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.